students, we'll discuss here another example. X e raised to x is equals to 2 by using Newton-Raphson method. Now this equation we consider it is a transcendental equation which containing one exponential term. So this we solve by using NR method. Initially assume that f of x equal to e raised to x minus 2 is equals to 0. So we have to rearrange that equation in a proper form, that is for f of x equal to. We can write this as 2 minus x e raised to x is equals to 0. So any one of this form we can consider. Suppose we have considered here x e raised to x minus 2 is equals to 0. Starting with the first value, substitute here f of 0 in this polynomial. Calculate this. So first value it is minus of 2. Next, substitute one value. We'll continue this procedure f of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till we'll get a output of this true, it is opposite sign. 1 e raised to 1 minus 2 and that value it is 0.7163. We got here first value negative, second value it is positive, so we'll stop this continuation and we claim here root lies between 0 and 1. When we get opposite sign for two consecutive values, then we'll claim here one root lies between in that interval. So here we know that formula for Newton-Raphson first value x0 minus f of x0 f dash of x0. So this is the first value. For this we required x0. So x0 will assume here by comparing this on the real line. So minus 2 compared with this 0.71 is nearer to 0. So corresponding to this one, this become our x0 value. This is just a conclusion. You can consider either x0 is 0 or x0 is equals to 1, any one of this value. But we concluded like this. So x0 it is 1. So 1 minus f of 1 upon f dash of 1. 1 minus f of 1 value already we have 0.7163 upon. Now next f dash of 1 we require. So for that first find out derivative of this expression. U into v formula will implement. U into v. First function as it is, derivative of second plus second function as it is, the derivative of first, that is derivative of x it is 1 minus 2 derivative it is 0. Constant derivative is always 0. So this is our f dash of x. Now in this substitute one value, so f dash of 1 become this expression 5.4366 and after the calculation this value is 0.8679. So this is our first approximation. Next, x2 formula x1 minus, so this is x2 second approximation. Substitute here previous x1 value f of 8671. So we only substituted in the second approximation this value x1, x1, x1. So this is the expression. F of 0.8671 substituted in this polynomial and we have by calculating on calc upon. And calculate this expression, it is 0.8528. So this is second x2 approximation. Continue like this for the third one. X2 value that we have substituted, suppose here in this, and after that we got here 0.8528 minus 0.0001 upon, in the bracket again denominator 3456. This calculation, it become x3. Now compare these two approximation, x2 and x3. So we corrected up to 4 decimal places. So we'll not go ahead for the fourth approximation. Hence, root is. So this is our discussion. Now for this in this problem we concluded up to only third approximation, because the comparison of these two we have corrected up to 4 decimal places. This is the root of given polynomial x e raised to x is equals to 2. This is a real root and this is an approximate root. This is not an exact root of given polynomial. So we completed again one more transcendental equation, and this we have solved by using the Newton-Raphson method. Thank you.